If you run a manufacturing plant, you probably track output, shifts, and downtime. But do you actually know how efficient your equipment is right now? Looking beyond simple output numbers is the key to true operational excellence. In this guide, we'll break down how to master your metrics. OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness, is the standard KPI for measuring manufacturing productivity. It tells you exactly what percentage of planned production time is truly productive. A score of 100% means your equipment runs at full speed with no defects and zero unplanned stops. Most plants score between 40 and 60%. Availability measures the percentage of scheduled time your equipment is actually running. If your line is planned to run 480 minutes per shift, but loses 60 minutes to breakdowns and changeovers, your availability is 87.5%. Every unplanned stop reduces this core metric. Unplanned stops and slow changeovers are the hidden enemies of availability. Identifying these patterns in real time is the first step toward reclaiming lost production time and optimizing your workforce schedules. Performance captures speed losses. Even when your machine is running, it may not be at its rated speed. If your line produces 800 units per hour but the ideal rate is 1,000, your performance is 80%. This highlights inefficiencies in cycle times. Microstops and slight deviations from the ideal cycle time often go unnoticed in manual logs, yet cumulatively, they represent a significant portion of your daily productivity gap. Performance tracking makes these losses visible. Quality accounts for defects and rework. If you produce 7,500 good parts out of 8,000 total, your quality score is 93.7%. Multiply all three, and your OEE is 65.5%. Meaning 34.5% of your total production time is wasted. Knowing your OEE formula is one thing. Seeing it live on every line is another. TeepTrak connects directly to your machines and displays real-time OEE. Availability and downtime causes no manual entry, no delay. This transparency allows for immediate floor-level intervention. Hutchinson went from 42% to 75% OEE across 40 plants in 12 countries. The data was always there. They just needed to see it. By digitizing their shop floor with TeepTrak, they turned raw data into immediate global action and achieved a massive return on investment. Start measuring what actually matters. TeepTrak, real-time OEE on every line. Contact our team today at teeptrak.com to begin your operational transformation and unlock your factory's full potential.